Apolo ngele pasi odongo nyese ke na imonyoke na itodonitori Michael Ochuma kanwa ingisit amina kaneja berukem kotoma apakina epejo kitera minister Haruna Kasolo Kumi district epolon bobelo pelo odongo ngese taranit Orechi kanwa idiodori ngesi kedake berda isirigin lukumna kesi kenyuni
polo rakoko le mamto ipejo ranchenu baka ya lem ilukumina kwatat arema me isirigin me mamto itu na yare ikin wabe okai wa nikau opanitele mna ilukumina kesa kenyuni apolo kie mama dumisirigin ai tu kai imbesirigibo etu pakinen
another one. If you have got the message, you better behave before you come and get the money as the chairman of the circle.
Abuachuma imwanu elanatanoi ebe erai sabeten noi. Laitela da Peter ore ngesabu minister ichola kipos na rachun kanuebe aingi sitemedana kaluka PDM sirigin.
I don't want that. The people being I think there is a return.
Minister Kasolo ngesi abalebe amechama kinitunga luka kwa aitwanar aimedan kaneja si asama kaluka district kaingare no kichelwe circles.
We can't allow this. There is a person who was really pleaded with the chairperson to excuse his wife because this is unacceptable. How can you demand for love affairs because of PDM? We can't do that. We can't allow that. So I have tasked the DISO to investigate the matter, and if there is any other person thinking that because he was elected the chairperson of the circle, he is too big and now he should start demanding for money, all beneficiaries must be served free of charge.
Et pakto sungun ay monya na potu itungalu egelegela kitala mutu kanuika mutosi isirgin luka PDM kaemioga
ikai itubore taija usimu kada kwa pupana poloke pui complaints lu tungano yelo betul sapata koni jara ilukumna kisaka nyare bengi seji kitinyon ha isirigin yongo atuna ro chuti lukumina akisaka nyare
so Akacun ngisine bakara bebe tapne rai kametoma atamto ngote processing emionga bati elo shei America punu so pono ngara ko sa IDs mamdonga jeni sign ngata smoni chera na baka sign konye dolo so ayadumuni kapuna masa pata dum kapuna merayo ko mi jasika member ni chen
Minister ngesieroko inyiko kitari mokini teso kanwa jenu ne ponelo itolo sere mioga loda abu ngesi kadum ko kumiebe epiko emedanak ainya kunisirigin lwe kopa ikino Kumi ngesa dumunit billion te dope chunya kikanyape konye apeda districta ainya kunu miliona kwata kita kasaka mpe bon. Dilax Emi Alamu, Godfrey Ojore, Kanuka TV East.